Hi, I'm Mohammed Ali and I'm super excited to demonstrate to you how you can create your free IE travel itinerary in minutes. Here's how it goes. First, you double click on the country field and select the country of your choice which you intend to visit. Then once confirmed, you click on the next field where you can select the city of this country, and in the next two fields you can set the departure and the return date. Once all four fields are set, you read the terms of service, privacy policy and digital product agreement, and then once you accept them, you can create on the free itinerary button. 5 options are now presented. One of them is the 3-day travel plan. If you click on this, you have either a 1 or a 3-day travel itinerary of the city that you selected. Depending how popular the city is, the longer the travel itinerary it will be. Then you have an overview of available travel activities in the city that you're going to visit. You get an idea how much it may cost, how popular they are, and how long they take. Then you have an idea or overview of the available accommodations in the time frame that you're looking for and how much they may cost. Lastly, you have the option to request for a tailor-made travel itinerary, which can be a 3, 5 or 7 days, which is usually written by an local who lives in that particular city. Then you have the option to look at the flight schedules, which gives you an idea whether flights are available, how much they cost, and when you could go. I really hope that the demonstration was of help, and if you have any questions, please reach to us out. Thank you.